Leapfrog, can you jump your way to win in the following program and get a flag? You can find it on the Shell server. All right, well, let's copy paste this and see what we have. All right, we have our standard set group ID executable. Let's look at rop.c. We have 3 Boolean variables, win1, win2, win3. If we call leap A, we can set win1 to true. If we call leap 2, after calling leap 3 with a parameter of dead beef, then we can set win2 to true. Oh, leap 3 looks exciting. So in leap 3, we need win1 to be both false and true simultaneously. Well, that's going to be challenging. And we have display flag, which will, of course, display the flag. That's exactly what I want. But only if win1 and win2 and win3 are true. We can't really jump into the middle of that because we have to load the flag first. Though we might get kind of lucky if we could load this, like run this, would load the flag, and then maybe we could jump in here. We'd have to get the stack exactly right. That would get exciting, but we could try to return a display flag, let it fail, and then try to jump into the middle of display flag and hope the stack is in the right place again. I'm not sure how to make that happen off the top of my head. All right, we have our vulnerable method, which will read 16 characters. Let me do the stack overflow. Okay. All right, so let's look at the assembly code here. Right, so far, it seems like the easiest thing to do might be to try to just jump right here into the middle of leap 3 to set win3 to true, then call, right, so we could call like leap A, jump in the middle of leap 3, then go to leap 2, then go to display flag. Let's see if that looks promising. All right, so the real trick is going to be jumping into the middle of leap 3. All right, so here's leap 3, and we really want to jump in to the middle. Where was that? Here's where it does it. Oh, so it doesn't use a constant there. It actually needs EAX to be set correctly, and then do offset 3F from that. It looks like it's getting, yeah, it's getting that from this get PC thunk into EAX. I mean, I could call that, right? I can ROP into anything, but then I need to get this add correct. That would be a little exciting. But if I call leap A, looks like EAX will have the right value. So that should be okay. I could call leap A, EAX will be set to the right value. I can then jump into the middle of leap 3. Oh, but this is going to be a problem down here. So my problem down here is going to be my frame pointer will be who knows what. But I can make this be whatever I want. The real problem is going to be this leave instruction. Because what this leave instruction will do is it will take EBP and make it be ESP. And I don't know that I control a big enough area of memory to, it's called pivot the stack over there and then have good things happen. So this leap 3 is going to be a real problem. Let's see if we can find anything else interesting, like maybe the addresses of our global variables. That would be handy. Ah, All right, so here are my global variables. Oh, they are all right next to each other. There's win1, win2, and win3, all starting at 804A03D. All right, now that gives me an idea. So I could just call getS. Right, if I call getS, I could read into the address of, and really hit all three of those variables at once. That would be pretty exciting. All right, so let's see. What we'll do here is we're going to run this. And we'll send in, what do we say? The size of that was 16, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Usually we've gotten it by there. All right, so 4D, 4E, 4F, 50. So 4D, so MNOP, so MNOP. Okay, so we got our 16 A's, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, so my MNOP, and so I'm going to do that. It's going to be the return of getS, and then from getS, I need to go to the display flag, and getS needs to have the address of win1. All right, so I think that'll do it. I'll just need to replace those things. So we need getS. I need display flag. And I need win1. All right, so getS. So I'm going to call getS first. So 30840408. The return from getS will go to display flag, and the parameter to getS will be stored here as win1. So win1 was at 3D A00408. And we need a display flag, which is at B3860408. All right, so when we call getS, we're going to need to have something else to get input. So we're going to append to that file for the second input, just 4A. So that should make win1, win2, and win3 all be A, and since in C 0 is false and everything else is true, that should be fine. And so now we'll just run this thing. That did not work. All right, so let's see what happened to us. Well, let's run it in GDB. Let's see if we manage to make it a display flag. Oh, we blew up in getS. That's interesting. All right, so let's do break and getS. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, that's the first one. That doesn't really look very good. Looks like I didn't get that lined up properly. Let's see what happened here. We're going to stop in Vuln. Continue. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this isn't good at all. So somehow I messed up that. So there's what we wanted. Ah, I forgot the X. So 080486B3. Those X's always get me. All right, we're still not quite there. All right, so set our breakpoint, 80487C8. All right, so this one looks right, and this one looks right. This one does not look right. Did I do the same thing? Oh yeah, X08. So 0804A03D. And there we go. Hop, rop, top your way to victory.